This would be the second part. Do not watch this one.
Soklema uNkulunkulu wasidala inomfanekiso wakhe wayifuna thina sifane naye thina if sifana nenkosi neking osezulwini inkosi ephakeme thina shuthi thina we are set ukuthi nathi sibe ama gods we are set ukuthi nathi sibe yini no sithi ngabe ama gods sibe uGod shukuthi wena you fall under labantu abakhuleka kwamakhosi noma you fall under labantu laba abakhuleka kule msamo eminingi egcwele emhlabeni you are subjecting yourself ukuthi wehle wena shukuthi bona njengoba wena wazi ukuthi bona bekhothama kwinkosi ephakeme uJesu Kristu wena njengoba ukhothama kubona uyazehlisa uyibeka kwini level noma in domain of amademoni akhuleka phansi kwezethu inyawo and noma ngabe wena ngakuthuka nganani azama ukuthi aclaim wena if wena nawe uhamba uyokhuleka kuwona usuyazehlisa uyibeka ngaphansi kwawo so ibona what strategy sebenzayo ukuthi demon izosebenzisa these people asebasebenzile these people who are your beloved politicians mangabe sebasebenzile wena ukuyinikela kwama politicians akuthi ngiyayinikela kwama politicians uyinikela kulama demon okumele ngaba ngaphansi kwenyawo zakho shothi wena uyazehlisa shokuthi not only are we in an upside down society we are underground in that upside down society shothi thina siyibeke at the lowest point but namhlanje ngifuna ukushumayela ukuthi we have lezo zinto ekumele siyiclaim uJesu Kristu senzele umhlaba la khona singabusa khona in our rightful position not only in our rightful position was elevator because uJesu Kristu wasuka kwehlalo sobukhosi ezulwini ukuze thina asinikele sahlalo sobukhosi esezulwini ukuthi yena wabuka amakhosi esezulwini ehleli khona laphana labo ngabala wo24 yena wabeka wena ngaphekwabo ngobani obefuna wena ube in perfection masethi for laba abakholwayo laba faithful le faithfulness engikhulume ngayo iyona lena engiyibeke engishumayeza wena ukuthi wazi ukuthi nawe you are in that level